Today we're folding the super glider. It soars high, flies far, and glides like a dream. Perfect for big spaces and even bigger fun. What you'll need: one A4 sheet of paper, a flat surface to fold on, and if you like, decorate your super glider with colors, stickers, or your own superhero logo. Let's get folding. Want more folding fun? Grab our printable paper plane pack with guides, tips, and colouring fun. Click the link in the description to get yours. Thanks for watching. Tap the like button if you had fun and subscribe so you never miss a new video.